So, hello everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. Today is a very spontaneous video. I visited my cousin in Rosenheim, and now I'm on my way home, and I decided to take the long way home and look for some mountain passes that I could maybe drive on the way. It's actually very hard to find a decent mountain pass close to Munich, and yeah, I'm quite far away now from Munich actually, and I do have a very long way home now. But yeah, I'm trying to get to my last destination. I'm already driving for more than 1 hour, and I still have 43 minutes to go, and it's starting to get dark. Yes, I will be there roughly at 8 p.m. and I hope the pass is still open. I hope I can still film with the light that I have available then. And oh, there's a tunnel. Another one. That just never gets old, especially with this car. I still don't know how Porsche made this sound like this from factory. There's another tunnel. I think I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Downshift. So yeah. 40 minutes to go till we arrive at the mountain pass, and I really hope it's going to be a nice road. I really hope that it will still be opened and I can film something for you guys, because I'm so pumped. I actually never drove this car in the mountains, and I always wanted to do it, but I never got around to do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys there.